This is the story of how a legendary machine is born. Inside a massive modern industrial facility, under bright white factory lights and surrounded by the sound of steel, sparks, and precision tools, the journey of a powerful Massey Ferguson tractor begins. The camera slowly moves across the factory floor where robotic arms weld thick red steel frames together. Sparks fly in every direction as engineers in helmets and safety glasses monitor every movement with intense focus. The air carries the scent of metal and fresh paint. This is not just manufacturing. This is engineering discipline, accuracy, and decades of agricultural heritage coming together. A heavy-duty steel chassis rests on the assembly platform. Workers carefully align reinforced beams, tightening bolts with calibrated torque tools to exact specifications. Every measurement is double-checked. Every joint is inspected. The red frame begins to take shape, strong, balanced, and designed to handle the toughest farmland conditions. Overhead cranes move with slow precision, lifting components that weigh hundreds of kilograms as if they were weightless. Now the heart of the machine arrives. A powerful diesel engine is lowered carefully into the frame. Engineers guide it gently into position, communicating with hand signals. The engine mounts connect perfectly. Thick hoses, polished metal pipes, and reinforced wiring systems are installed with careful hands. This engine is built for endurance, long working hours, heavy loads, extreme temperatures. As the bolts are secured and fluids are filled, the machine begins to feel alive. Next comes the transmission system, the backbone of power delivery. Gear assemblies are installed with microscopic precision. The drivetrain components are aligned to ensure smooth torque transfer from engine to wheels. Close-up shots reveal shining gear teeth and lubricated mechanical parts working in harmony. Every rotating element is tested before moving forward. Massive rear wheels are rolled into position. These tires are enormous, with deep aggressive treads designed to grip mud, soil, and rough terrain. Hydraulic tools lift the tractor slightly as engineers secure the wheel hubs. The front tires follow, slightly smaller but equally rugged. Once mounted, the tractor finally stands on its own strength for the first time. The cabin structure is assembled next. A protective steel frame is built to ensure operator safety. Large glass panels are installed to provide a wide field of vision. The doors seal perfectly. Inside, wiring harnesses are connected to digital control systems. The steering column is fixed in place. The seat, designed for long hours of comfort, is installed with suspension support to reduce vibration. Now comes color. The signature bold red paint. Robotic spray arms coat the entire body evenly. The glossy finish reflects the factory lights like a mirror. Layer after layer ensures durability against weather, dust, and sunlight. When the paint dries, branding decals are applied carefully. The identity of Massey Ferguson shines proudly across the body. Quality inspection begins. Engineers walk around the completed tractor with tablets, checking alignment, lights, hydraulics, electronics, and engine calibration. The engine is started for the first time. A deep, powerful rumble fills the space. The headlights glow brightly. Exhaust releases a steady controlled stream. All systems are tested: steering, braking, lifting arms, and digital displays. Finally, the large factory doors open. The finished tractor rolls forward into natural sunlight. The red paint glows under the golden sky. After a journey of steel, fire, precision, and patience, the machine is ready for the field. Now the camera captures the tractor from the front. A low cinematic angle shows its aggressive grille design and powerful headlights. The bold structure gives it a commanding presence. It is not just a tractor, it is a symbol of strength. From the rear, we see the advanced hydraulic system and hitch assembly. These components allow heavy farming equipment to connect securely. The thick rear tires dominate the frame, showing readiness for tough soil conditions. The left side profile reveals balance and proportion. The exhaust pipe rises confidently. The smooth red body panels reflect the open farmland. The machine stands proudly against wide agricultural land. From the right side, we notice fine details: air intake systems, reinforced panels, carefully shaped fuel tank housing. Every line is purposeful. Aerial drone footage shows the tractor from above. The cabin roof, ventilation panels, and symmetrical body design become clear. The machine looks powerful even from the sky. A low ground shot captures the underbody. The suspension system, axles, and protective shielding demonstrate durability. This tractor is built to survive harsh terrain. A close-up of the front tire shows thick treads pressing into the soil. Mud clings naturally, proving its working capability. The metallic rim shines under sunlight. The rear tire fills the screen, enormous, textured, unstoppable. It represents traction, grip, and strength. The engine compartment opens once more. Pipes, filters, belts, and metal components operate in harmony. Power is controlled, efficient, and reliable. Inside the cabin, the steering wheel sits centered before a digital instrument cluster. Modern displays provide performance data. Control levers are positioned within easy reach. The seat offers comfort for long farming days. Through the glass windows, endless fields stretch toward the horizon. As the tractor begins moving across farmland, soil turns beneath its wheels. Dust rises behind it. The engine's sound blends with the open countryside. This is where the machine truly belongs, not just in a factory, but in action. From sparks in a factory to golden fields at sunset, the journey of this Massey Ferguson tractor represents dedication, power, and agricultural innovation. It is built by engineers, tested by precision, and proven by the land. And when it moves forward across the field, it carries with it the strength of craftsmanship and the future of farming. Tractor.